It is important because that's it will judge how the way we want to play and how we want to organize as a group. So bringing in all those players, it's not new to them to in this environment in the Flying Fijians. They've already been there. They've already done the job. A lot of them have played 3 World Cups, and that's why we need experience. We need talent. We need development. Also, some new players like Sam White, who is playing in New Zealand with the Auckland Blues. So he's the only uncapped players. So we are not just looking at three game. We were looking at the PNC, and then we're looking at the 3 games in November. So the door is still open wide. People will be coming in. You need to perform, and that 3 days before the week they will be tested. If you are not fit to it, you'll catch the plane back. That's a message that's been going to them. You're not coming into the team, and then you start your training to be fit. And that 3 days going into that week of, there will be a lot of testing. There will be a lot of training. If you don't meet the criteria, you will be replaced for sure.